Hello everyone, welcome to Idbox Creations, and today in this video I'll show you how you can use the Tooltips feature of PowerPack add-on for Elementor. You can make your web pages more interactive by adding fancy tooltips to your site's widgets using the Tooltips extension by PowerPack add-on for Elementor. So before we can start, make sure you have the Elementor plugin and the PowerPack add-on for Elementor installed and activated on your website. If you don't have the plugins, you can get them from the links I've provided in the description box below. To apply this feature, first of all you need to open the page where you want to add the tooltips and open it using the Elementor editor. First of all, locate and click on the widget for which you want to add the tooltips. For this tutorial, I'm going to add the tooltips to this image. If you are in the editor, simply click on any widget that you want to add a tooltip text to and click on the Advanced tab. Here, you will see the layout option, and below that you will see the PowerPack subsection. You will see multiple options here such as display conditions, wrapper link, custom cursor. Now enable the tooltips option by clicking on the toggle button. Let's go through each option one by one. You get two options, settings and style. In the settings subsection, you get the toggle content option. Here you can type the message that you want to show in the toggle option. Next, you can change the target for your tooltip text. You can go with current element or custom selector. Further, you can change the trigger from click or hover, and if you want to change the toggle position, you can go with bottom text left or right. You can also disable or remove this arrow right here from the show arrow option. If you set it to no, the arrow will not be displayed, and if you set it to yes, the arrow will show up. If you want to change how the tooltip shows up, you can choose the animation such as fade, swirl or any other option from the list. And finally, you can adjust the distance between the tooltip and the widget from the slider option. Now let's go to the style tab and see what styling options you have. First of all, you can change the background color, text color, typography, box shadow, border type, border radius and padding. And further, you can also adjust the width for the tooltips window. All the options here are pretty standard, and you can find the similar options for any other widget. You can simply go ahead and use the color palette or the typography options to customize the tooltip. Let me go ahead and make these changes quickly so the tooltip window also matches with the overall design of the page. Now, once you are done making all the changes, just go ahead and click on the update or publish button to make the changes live. Here is how the tooltip looks for the image widget that we just added. Let me know what you think of the tooltip feature of PowerPack add-on for Elementor, and if you found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.